Mr. President, good morning. Naimbag nga bigat mo. Umuna ti amin, anat kinapagpaiswanan na nga, da itinaawat tayong bomb threat, iti Data Center College of Lawag, sir.
Okay. Backgrounder niya po, naimbag nga bigat tayo amin, manin. As to di Rabi, there was this post in our Facebook page na it is being managed by our HR department. That time they had it documented in as much as it was already too late last night. Siguro they were trying to call me or trying to call my our Vice President for Academic Affairs. Unfortunately, siguro ako nakaturog kami din. Tatay bigat, first hour in the morning, I was called by the Vice President for Academic Affairs to inform me of the post that was posted on the Facebook page. This has something to do with a bomb threat. So the first thing that I did was to call on the HR who is managing our Facebook page and then advise them to report it to the police. So she did it immediately, and then after informing the police, I reported to the school and checked. But before that, I instructed the security guard to close all the gates. Tatno man awan kay sumrek ako. And then upon arriving at the school, the police were already here to secure the area. And then we were also visited by the Assistant Provincial Commander to also monitor and check. And then a few minutes later, imayan na po ti bomb squad of the PNP. So after I provided them the information on how the information reached me, bagat nga through the Facebook. So adamat gayam the information that was already forwarded to them, and then they were able to read it. So after our meeting with them, few minutes, they already sent their bomb squad to the building to search. So we started from the ground floor until the roof deck, up to the roof deck, I mean. And then, so di jayan na po, kasi niya po, awang mati nakita da. So, we had a post inspection conference again and informing us that it's already safe. So, di jayan po ti resulta ti naging inspection ti bomb squad ti PNP.
Okay. Sir, anat content that the bomb threat nga naawat tayo, sir?
So, di jay, regarding the content that at dati bagada nga kuwada nga bomba dito yung eskwela. Legit siya, siyempre, panuhan tayo ng kami mat nga nagkampang we reported it immediately. So DJ lang nga po ti content naman. Awam mo ti sabaling na regarding nanyaman ti rason na siguro nga ibaga. But basically, it is the planting of a bomb. Yeah,
yes, sir. Sir, nugitan tayo dagiti naawat ti Mariano Marcos State University. Ada iti pa kayo naigan, allegedly, iti panang suporta ko, no? Dagiti estudyante, wano itinasong institusyon, iti pamilya Marcos, adakad ka met nga naibaga iti bomb threat message, sir, kada kayo?
Awan mo tapo ti ay naging ti politika nga na kuha na ijay. Actually, no kitak nga de kuha na ket kuna na ijay ket we have placed 3 bombs in different parts of the Data Center College new building. Very specific da pa po nga dito new building at 9:40 PM. So idirabi apo dijay let's go panak nga rod kan dijay police nga as early as 7 o'clock all our entry points, especially for in this building, are already closed. So I don't think no daman pisimrek nga ta dito kasano da ko mga nakasarak ti building, no, it is already secured. So dijay apo ti kuana awam mo timbagbaga nga panggap ti politika nga in kuano basta di lang I'm booking for the time when I can detonate the bomb, and all students will be affected at any time when there are many students. Kuna naman lang ako di message o di post na. So yeah, siya gaputan na alarma tayo ako may mati police, and I am very confident securing or inspecting the building po.
Yes, sir. Sir, malaksid ka dito ada ka diti panakisarita tayo kada iti otoridad no dito account nga nausar iti panakaisan ti BAMTRET ti MMSU ket isumet ti nausar kada dito panakaisan ti data center college.
Well, according to them, as lang nga similar na naman. Sila dati pagparehasan dan kung nakailatan so lang mo dizeti na gather ko nga information or nangad ko nga information from our authorities similarly situated ti nangyari di MMSU.
Yes, sir. So ano dagiti sumarno nga addang tayo sir nga aramidan tapnon maduktalan wenno mapreventaran nan dagiti nga mapasamak sir?
Well, I will leave it to the PNP when it comes to their investigation ti Castana. So the only thing that we can do is of course to secure our area as advised by the PNP no mabalin kami nga inspection especially our students baka kano mausarda digiti ubing tayo nga mangisarap. So that was the advice of the PNP. So as inaramid nito tayo ako, all bugs are being inspected amin nga maisarap dito building kat may inspect na ako.
Ana oras idi nagpa-strict tayo kada dagiti estudyante sir?
Mga 9 o'clock, 9:30 kasi ako. So talagang pumila da basit medyo especially kat this is actually the final exams week. So medyo very eager dito estudyante nga sumra because it is already towards the end of the semester ni dito data center. So mahanda mo timan nga piman panaw to of course finish their examination. So nag-resume man ako gayam ti klase mi and we hope that as I have said earlier, I'm very confident after the PNP was able to inspect the building as reported to us the post-conference mi ako at awang mating nakita na.
Okay, lastly sir, mensahe tayo kada iti estudyante tayo dagiti naganak and stakeholders.
Kasi dagiti naganak ako ti eskwela ket inaramid mi amin nga kabalan mi to inform the authorities of of the information that we got na naipost diyan ti Facebook mi ako ket imay damet sige dari muspande pati aside from data PNP, Fire Department and CSU also came over to assist us to check the kasi na po sige na ako nakatayan awang mat ako pinakita so I can assure the parents inaramid niya po ti kabahalan may tatno ma-secure kan ma-safety eskwela tayo pa.